Okay, it's Saturday, December 29th. I'm going to try my luck on a little lake. I took a tip from one of the guys that subscribes to my YouTube. I saw a tip on his YouTube about adding cross-country skis to the bottom of your sled. Man, it just works slick. This sled used to be really tough to pull in the snow, and now it's simple. And my sled, the bottom was wearing out anyway, so I just bolted some cross-country skis to the bottom of it, and it really works slick. Set up for deeper water. I brought my Garmin, which is kind of neat because it's got GPS also, so you can look at the maps and the stuff. And then when you get here, I put down my transducer, and I got it all rigged in this little toolbox or tool case that you can carry around. And today I'm using a piece of plastic, or I'm trying this. Already cut one. Okay, that's my jig going down. Okay, just so everyone understands, this blue line here, that's my jig. That's my ice fishing jig. I'm down by bottom. It's 21 feet deep. That's my jig, and I'm 2 feet off bottom. And what I do is I drop it down by bottom and jiggle it, and I try to bring in panfish or any fish. What happens is if this bottom gets if anything comes in other than that blue line, that's my jig. If anything comes in, it's going to be a fish. And if it's a good reading, it'll show it in red. So it's really pretty neat. The cool thing about this Garmin, it's the same one I use in my boat. So when I find a cool spot, I mark it on the GPS, and then I can use it while I'm ice fishing, because I just hit a button and you go to your maps. Plus it takes lake maps. Okay, that's a fish coming in to look at my jig. Okay, he did not want it. I'll drop it back down and try to get him to come back. Okay, he's coming back. Darn it, he dropped back out. You don't catch them all, you definitely gotta try to figure out the right cadence. Yeah, this guy's he keeps looking, but I can't get him to bite. So I'm gonna shut the camera off here, and I'm gonna switch colors. Okay, I'm trying out a white piece of plastic. Looking, see the mark with the red in it, that's a fish. The line above them, that's my jig. So I'm trying to get the two lines to come together. When they come together, that's when you really need to watch your spring bobber. Keep checking it out, but I'm not getting bit. So time to change colors again. It's back to a live bait. I got a wax worm and a little tungsten jig. It's a heavier jig, so I'm getting a really good reading on it. Here we go. Fish out. Oh yeah. Feels like a pretty good one. Not too bad. Just keep her. Started coming suspended, so I pulled my jig up. If I wouldn't have had my locator, I would have never seen it. I raised up and okay, that top line is my jig, and those bottom two are fish. Now there's fish all over. Some of them are kind of small, but it's happy hour. Is it 20 to 4? Now there's fish everywhere. Oh yeah. Fight is on. Caught that one right there. Okay, there's a big slob. Oh, I'm out of battery, so that's all the video for today. But there's a big old fat